you enter in your information here. Okay, so I've gone ahead and filled out this stuff that's required. Outlet name, app name, all that stuff is filled out. It's pretty self-explanatory. The one thing that you would want to know is the category. So we have a bunch of pre-built types of apps already pre-built, and whatever you select here will have everything turned on for you that's relevant to that type of business. So for example, if you're selecting cafe, you'll have food ordering system, points rewards, punch cards, that kind of stuff that's already turned on for you. You will be able to go in and update it and add things if you needed to, but that's what this has done. So this is going to be a coach or a trainer, and I will hit submit, and you'll see it's been added successfully. When I come back to my list here, you will see it at the top of my list. Now, the automatic mail content is what you can send to your clients. So when you've sold in the app, you click this link and it will send them the email that you just created in the account. It will send them the welcome email that you're sending that you're created over here in the auto mail content. So we have a welcome mail that goes out for your resellers and all the account information. You can customize this to do whatever you want. But let's stick to the building process. So we have now created the app at the top here. You see the create app link right here. If we click on that, you will see the areas where you can customize the color schemes, the images and background. So the login screen, you can put a custom image there. All the image sizes are mentioned here, and the types of image, if it's PNG or JPEG, it would be mentioned there. You can configure the features. Like I said, when you select a category of apps, all the features that are relevant to that category will come as turned on, and you can see what they are. If you want to turn something off or on, you can just basically come in here and do that. And now this is no longer on. Same thing if you want to turn it, this is no longer on, so if you want to turn something from off to on, you would just basically make it active. Okay, so I will just do something like that, make this active, and away we go. So that's all the features here listed in the platform. Your next step would be the menu, and we will use, I will just use the standard menu, but the layout for is the advanced menu. I didn't create an image for this one yet, that's why I'm not using this. The required images, these are the kinds of images you're going to need. You're going to need the icons, a login screen, the home screen of the app, a smaller icon, a splash screen. Those are the main images that you're going to need to create the app. So I didn't create an image for the menu, but you can also create a custom image for the menu. Okay, the publish section I will come back to after I've added all the images. So the publish section is where you enter the information that's required to publish the apps. This is for Google, this is for Apple. The Google stuff you enter yourself, and you'll be able to generate the source code, which we will do in this video. The Apple stuff, you fill out the information, upload the images, and we submit the Apple app for you. Okay, so let's go into the building part of the app. Okay, so once you've created the app, you would log in, okay, and come down to the settings. So this dashboard, what you're looking at, is the dashboard that your clients see. Okay, so all of your clients will see from the word dashboard all the way down. This is where they would manage the app. Okay, we can go into the different features after we've done the building process. So the first thing that you do is after you've logged in is go to the settings and come to the home screen. Now this is where the magic is. So this is already coming with, we selected a category of a coach, whatever. So it comes with some sort of a starter screen so that you can have an idea of what to do. But what we're going to do is we're going to delete this and replace it. So I'm just deleting this. I'm going to replace it with the new screens that we built specifically for this app. So when you hit the Add New button, you get this screen, and this is where you can upload your own file. Okay, so the image sizes are mentioned here, 960 pixels wide with a maximum height of 3,000 pixels. If you need to go longer than that, you would have to create two separate images. Okay, so let me find the image that I want. This is the one that I want, and I'll just call it home. Let's call it home screen. And this is key, coming down here, disregard all this stuff. You would assign a function to this screen, so we will say multifunction because this is where the magic is. So make sure you put multifunction, okay? Hit submit, and the screen will pop up on the outside. So this is the screen that we're now making for this specific app, okay? Now, this is where the magic, like I said, in our platform happens. We don't use a template. We don't use layouts. We allow you to build an app strictly from with literally no limits, no boundaries. You're creating an app. This is the home screen of the app. So this is what people will always see when they open up the app. This was an image created in Photoshop by one of our designers. and we've uploaded the image into the system as you just saw, and now we're going to assign functionality to it. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and assign functionality. Click on that link there, and it brings me into the image here, and I click on the image. Now I can make a hotspot. So I can take this, I can move it anywhere I want, I can put it wherever I want. And what I'm doing is I'm going to make a hotspot and map out the functionality on this app. So this would be a call us feature. And I'm just going to tell the system to go to the call us button. Okay. So now when anyone touches this area on the screen, it will take them to a phone number where it'll dial right from the device. Again, similarly, I'm going to do this for notifications. We're doing push notifications here. Title the screen. Okay. And say you're telling the system to go to notifications when anyone touches this area of the screen. So I'm going to finish mapping this out. Hang on a second. Okay, so I went ahead and mapped out the rest of the functions that I want to have on the home screen of this app. I didn't find an Instagram page, so I can put that there, but everything else has been pretty much mapped out, what we're adding. So these are the few functions that we're having on the home screen. It's all been done. I saved it, and now the app is essentially built. There are some things that you would want to come in here and customize. When you're building an app for your own specific customer, whether it's a clothing store, pizza place, hair